These videos are generated by Meta AI video generator. Just look at the quality of these videos and you can generate such videos too. Completely free, unlimited, without watermark with Meta AI video generator. There will be a bonus at the end of the video about prompt. Without a good prompt, you cannot generate a good video or an image. This video is a step-by-step full tutorial of Meta AI video generator and Meta AI image generator. First, open your browser and type Meta AI video generator. Then open the first link which appears. Now in order to generate the videos or the images, we have to log in, otherwise it will not allow us to use its features. So here at the bottom of the page, we have login and sign up button. If you have already created a Meta account, you can simply log in. But if you don't have any Meta account, you have to sign up. Or the other way could be just go on to the sidebar and click on the create tab. It will ask you to log in. So you have to click on the login and then this option shows up. You can either log in by using your Facebook account or your Instagram account. If you don't have accounts, you can simply continue with the email address. You have to enter your email address here and click on next. You will receive a code on your email which you have to submit here to create your new Meta account. The process is simple and straightforward, just like you create a Facebook account or Instagram account. I will not create an account here because I have already created it. So after you have created an account and logged in, you will see this screen. If you scroll a bit down, you will see the already generated videos. You can get some ideas from here as well. Now, if you want to create images and videos, you have to go to this create tab. The create section looks like this. In here, we have to enter our prompt in a textual form. Then we have this image. If we click on it, it will give you an option of image or video depending upon what you want to generate. The next option is the ratio of the image that we want to generate. We have three options here. And then we have the aesthetics. I will recommend you to keep it as simple as possible and go with the default values. I already have written some prompts, so I will just copy and paste them. I have pasted my prompt and now I will simply click on the send button. It will take some time to process the images, and when the processing is done, it will generate a 4 images for us. So as you can see, it has generated 4 images and you can see how realistic they are. The details of these images are amazing. Now you can also download any image that you liked. If you want more images, you can readjust your prompt and then give it again. Now we will generate a video from text. For that, you simply have to go to this image option, click on it and select video. This will give you this upload image if you want to convert your image into video, but first we will try text to video. I will recommend you to open a new chat for generating the video because it will mix the results with the images that we have generated before. For video, we don't have the option of video ratio, and I will just simply paste my prompt here and click on animate. Again, it will take some time to process the video, and once it's done, it will generate us 4 videos. So the videos has been generated. I will open this video. Other videos are also good. There is one important thing to note here, that sometimes it does not give you exact higher quality results. So you have to adjust your prompt to get the higher quality results that you want. Now we will go to the third option, which is image to text. I already have an image which I will upload here and generate a video from it. Or I can also download one of these images that I have already generated, give it to AI and generate a video out of it. So I'm going with the second option. I will just download this image. After uploading an image, I will give a brief prompt, a smiling man, and then click on animate. So our video is ready. Just look at the quality of the video. This way, you can also generate a high quality AI images or videos using this Meta AI video generator for your business or for your individual personal needs. Now it's time for bonus. I personally observed that a two-step prompt method is very efficient if you want to generate higher quality images or videos. So let me explain briefly what is this two-step method for the prompts. You have to go to ChatGPT and ask him, please generate a detailed prompt for the cinematic shot of a 80-year-old man, and then enter. This will just generate a prompt, not the actual image. So we will copy this prompt and then paste it here to get our results. The first step is just to take help from ChatGPT to generate a detailed prompt and then copy that prompt and paste it here to generate the actual image. What benefit will this method give you? Because it will add you some technical details in the prompt that you don't know. And that way you can generate higher quality images and videos. I will also attach all the prompts that I have used for these images and videos so that you can also review them. And you can also give them to ChatGPT for reference. So if you find this tutorial helpful, do like the video and subscribe the channel. If you have any questions or suggestions, the comment section is for you. Be my guest. And thanks a lot for watching this video.